Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Markatamani Telugu Vlogs. So today I'm going to do this video in English because this is the opening related to Infosys off-campus drive for the past outs 2017 to 2020. So as this information is useful for across the India, so I just committed to do this video in the English language. So here is the link, guys. So you can see careers.infosys.com. So as I promised, so guys, if any one of you from the Telugu, like Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, you can find out the last video. I made one video on IT industry, lockdown effect on the IT industry. You can find in my videos, uploaded videos. I have promised during the time that in the next couple of months, like 1 month or after 2 months, there would be openings in the top MNCs like Infosys, Wipro, CTS. So there will be openings for the off-campus drive or on-campus drive. So as I promised, now you can see we have the openings for Infosys for the past out 2017 to 2020. Now I just want to walk you through basically how we can apply for this off-campus drive. You can see it here. First, what we need to do, we need to give the full name of the candidate. You can give the full name here. So the better option would be you can give your full name as it is there in your SSC certificate. So that would be the best thing. So you can give your full name as it is there in the SSC document, SSC certificate. Now you can mention your mobile number. Okay. So as this is dedicated for India, so it will be the +91. So after that, you can give your primary email ID. So after that, you can give the date of birth. So as I said before, the same. Whatever the date of birth which was mentioned in the SSC certificate, you can give the same date of birth here to avoid the miss. So you can give the SSC or 10th standard CGPA. Now you can here you can give it as percentage or CGPA. So you can go to the 12th standard or intermediate. So you can give that percentage or CGPA. If you would have any diploma certificates, you can mention that as well. Like if you have any PGDCA, like post graduation diploma in computer application, such type of diplomas, if you have done such type of diplomas, you can mention here, but this is an optional, you can see it here. Okay. So now here you can see the graduation. You can mention, you can just open this drop down. You can find the different branches here, like Bachelor of Arts, Honor, and Bachelor of Admin. You can see, right, Bachelor of Engineering, Pharmacy, Science, like Bachelor of Technology, and Bachelor of Technology Honors, and Bachelor of Technology. So now you can select whatever the option means according to your graduation. You can select that corresponding option. So after that, you can select your college name. Okay. So if you don't find your college name in the list, you can just type others. So you can select this others box. So now you can mention your college name. So basically what MNCs will do, so they will mention the top colleges here, like 3-star rated, 4-star and 5-star rated college, they will mention. So if you don't find your college name, don't worry. So you just select the others and you can mention your college name here. So similarly, you can mention your graduating state. That means where you have completed your graduation, you can mention that state, like Telangana, Andhra, wherever, Karnataka. So you can mention that state here. So similarly, you can select the branch here. Okay, you can select the branch. You are belongs to accounting or finance, like you are belongs to computer and technology, like arts or architecture. So you just go through all the options. So it depends on your what you can say the branch. You can select the corresponding branch here. So similarly, you can select the percentage and CGPA. Okay. Now we can go to the year of completion. So as I said before, it's basically for the 2017 to 2020 passed out. It's a very good news here, guys. Basically, MNCs will not allow to attend the exam. I think it's almost 3 years back, but they are allowing for as they are treating them as freshers. It's a very good sign. So please forward it to all the people. I think like your seniors or super seniors also, you can forward this link. So now you can select your passed out here. Similarly, so one good thing, I think for the couple of off campuses, so MNCs will not allow the MSc candidates, but here the good news, they are allowing the MTech students and the ME students. Okay, now you can select this MTech or whatever. See, if you are from the MCA background, you can select the Master of Computer Applications. So if you are from ME, you can select this. If you are from MSc background, you can select the Master of Sciences. So if you are from MTech, you can select the Master of Technology. So as I said before, you can select your college name. If you don't find, you can select the others. Okay, you can give the branch name, you can give the CGPA, you can give the year of completion. Okay, so this is all about, they have only requested for the SSC and intermediate only for the percentage. They are not asking for the college name and all, but coming to the graduation and post graduation, they are requesting us to complete all these details. So it's a pretty much very simple form. Okay, I think there will not be any confusion. But if you have any confusion, please ping me or please chat me in the comment section of this video. So I will be able to help you guys. I will read all the comments and I will help you. So the final one is the preferred test location. So they have right now option. There are a couple of test locations. You can find it here: the Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Pune. So wherever you belongs to, you can select that your nearest location. You can select here the preferred test location. Once your profile has been shortlisted, so they will send the call letter or whatever for this off campus. So they will so further the preferred location will be whatever the preferred location you choose here. So you will get call letter for that particular location. So here the enter the code, it's a captcha. So once you entered, you can just click on the submit, guys. So once you are submitted, so it will go to the Infosys talent acquisition team. What they will do, they will review your percentages and everything. So once your profile has been shortlisted, so they will call you and they will send you the call letter for this off-campus drive, guys. Hope this will be very useful for the candidates who are looking for job opportunity in the IT industry, especially for the 2017 to 2020. That's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and you can enable that bell icon to get the latest notification. Once I upload the video, you will get the notification. So please share it with all your friends, seniors and super seniors who are belongs to 2017 to 2020 passed outs. So that's it, guys. I will come up with one more interesting topic in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye.